Hi everyone, good morning. So thanks for joining the session. So today we are going to start with the demo session with the Oracle Fusion Financials. Now I would like to introduce my friend Hari, who is a trainer for this current batch. So Hari, can you please start the session like your introduction and everything?
Yep, sure, Bala. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hi, guys. I'm Harishankar, and I have total 8+ years of experience in Oracle Fusion, especially in financial side. Along with that, I have experience on procurement and I have experience on OTBA and BAP report development as well. So those called as reports. So okay. Uh, that's all from my side. So let's share my screen. And before that, I just wanted to let you know, guys, about your educational background and what is your educational background, and if you guys have any experience, non-IT experience or any other experience you have already. So that based on that, I have an idea to start where we can start this session. Like can I go with the basics, or we need to start with advanced level? Based on your educational background and based on your experience, I'll start those things. Okay. So I just wanted to know, like, Rajesh, can you go and go ahead and just let you introduce about yourself and what is your educational background? Especially, I just wanted to know about educational background and you have any experience in IT.
Hi Hari, myself
Yeah.
Rajesh Kumar. I have
Hmm.
4 years of experience in IT experience,
Hmm.
and previously I am working with Informatica Power Center.
Hmm.
But I have career gap in 3 years present.
Hmm.
My education background is BCom.
Become okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Okay. Which domain you worked on? Like you are
Mine
into
is support role.
ERPs. Oh, okay. Support role. Okay.
Support is Informatica is support control them autosys.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Which is
And
not related to ERP, right? Yeah. Okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. Can you go ahead with Sai? Sai, you are in mute. I just wanted to know about your educational background and if you have any experience in, or you are a fresher. I just wanted to know only those two things. Okay. Someone is there. IT. I'm not sure about the name. It is showing IT.
Okay, it's fine. If
Yeah.
the maybe
Okay. That's fine. Yeah. So,
sorry.
yeah, I just wanted to know, like, if they are fresher, so that I can explain from the basics. If they have some experience in ERP side or anything in related to become, see, become is like if they are from BCom and MBA, they at least they know about accounting and all. So whenever they people require want to learn any financial modules, at least they need basic accounting. So I can help with you as well. If you guys don't know about accounting, yeah, I can help with that as well. So that's the reason I'm asking if you guys are from accounting background or not. Yeah, that's also fine.
Hello,
Yeah.
sir. Sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
I was searching for my name. It's been IT, so I'm so
Yeah.
sorry.
Yeah. No
Uh,
problem. No problem.
this
Yeah.
is Mahesh Kumar.
Mm-hmm.
My education is I've done my BCom.
Mm-hmm.
I am a non-IT guy.
Mm-hmm.
I'm working in Pask Private Limited, which is in Dubai.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, my present role in this company is accounting and operations, pure
Okay.
accounting and operations.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Which
Accounts pay,
application you guys are working? Yeah, working. Like which
API
application
and
you?
air.
Okay.
Operations means it's purely a logistics company.
Mm-hmm.
So it's an intermediary company between buyer and seller. So
Mm-hmm.
pure
Mm-hmm.
operations, raising purchase
Requisitions
orders
and all.
to
Mm-hmm.
and invoice processing the invoices and final payments and reconciliation
Oh, okay. Then you
reporting.
have good exposure in, yeah, yeah. You have a
Yeah,
good life in this Oracle
yeah.
Fusion then.
We
Yeah,
do
P2P. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You are doing P2P
supplier
then. Yeah.
payments and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, supplier payments also, AP and AR.
Okay,
So
nice.
final reconciliation report and checking the monthly based total gross and purchases, and in that calculating the percentage and payments, everything.
So yeah, all these things are done in the which application? Like you guys are using PeopleSoft, JD Edwards.
We work in two applications. One is in I think Zero. You have an idea?
Yeah,
Zero to
yeah.
in Zero we will raise the purchase orders and proformas and invoices. A few invoices we will raise in SAP also, SAP tool.
Okay, SAP.
Because because a few packing lists, for few suppliers, in packing list they'll split the items so that we cannot raise in the SAP. So that kind of invoices we'll raise in the Zero. So
Got it.
that's it.
Yeah. So you are in correct place then. Yeah. You have good knowledge in P2P. Then yeah, in Oracle Fusion Financials, yeah, you can create purchase requisitions, purchase orders, invoices, and payments. You can see all this flow in Oracle Fusion Financial side as well.
Yeah, I'm into this process since from 12 years. I'm bored. Seriously, I'm looking for another one. So
Okay.
package also a bit less. So
Yeah.
I'm planning to switch to another job. So one
Mm-hmm.
of my friends suggested, so I'm attending this class.
Yeah, you are in correct place now. Then yeah. Okay. Yeah. Good to know about you. Yep. Yep. Anyone else? Okay. Let me share my screen.
Yeah.
Hope you guys able to see my screen.
Yeah, we can see.
Yep. Thank you for the confirmation. So in today's session, I'm trying to cover these things. Okay. Why Oracle Fusion Cloud? Which means like why business need to use Oracle Fusion? What is the requirement? And what is my career growth and salary potential? And can I actually learn this? So first we can cover these three things. Okay. So why Oracle Fusion Cloud? So as said, like I forgot your name. IT. What is your name?
Mahesh
Sorry.
Kumar.
Yeah, Mahesh. Okay. Okay. So yeah, as I said, Mahesh, like they are creating purchase requisitions, purchase orders in other application, and they are bringing those things into SAP, and again they are raising invoices against that POs and all. So they are using multiple applications to avoid to use multiple applications. You can use only Oracle Fusion Financials, and there you can create purchase orders, purchase requisitions, invoice, and payment. Okay, so it will bring all the process into one application. That is the reason we can use Oracle Fusion application financials. So here I in future sessions I will explain about all the modules as well. So we have different in the Oracle application, we have different modules as well. Like in financials we have sub modules: general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, fixed assets, cash management. We can learn all those things, individual modules. Okay, along with that we have a supply chain management, human resource, HR, HCM. We can call it as HCM. So we have a lot of applications are there in the Oracle Fusion, and it will bring all those things into one application. So business can easily use those applications. Instead of using multiple applications, we can use only Oracle application, and we can apply all those our needs into Oracle application. So for HCM, we can use Oracle HCM. For financials and accounting, we can use Oracle Financials. For supply chain and logistic, we can use SCM. Okay, so those kind of options are available in Oracle Fusion. That is the reason we can use this one, and I can explain in detail in the future sessions. Okay, so this is the main advantage of the Oracle Fusion Cloud. Okay, we can bring all those process into one application, so that at the end of the year you can reconcile easily. If you use multiple applications, it will be very difficult to reconcile. if all the transactions and all the things are available in one application, it will be very easy for the reconciliation at the end of the year. Okay, so that is the reason most of the businesses are liking to choose Oracle Fusion Cloud, because we can see multiple reports as well. We have a pre-built reports. You can just one click away to run the reports. Okay, trial balances, balance sheet, P&L accounts. It will be very easy to create all those things. Since you guys are from BCom background, that is the reason I'm using these terminology: balance sheet, trial balance, P&L accounts, because you guys know about all those things. Whatever the new terminology will come, I will explain in detail about the new terminologies as well. Okay. So just let me know, guys, if I'm going very fast. I'll just let me know so that I'll try to slow down. Okay. So what is my career growth and salary potential? So in current market, I can say Oracle is leading now, and then SAP, and then Workday. These three are ruling the ERP world. Okay, so Oracle, especially in Oracle side, financials, HCM and HCM, supply chain and human capital management. These three things are very we have like I can say we have lot of openings in financial side, HCM side, HCM side. Okay, and coming to the SAP and Workday, these all are this is second position and this is third position. So these all are also leading in the especially from the Europe side. Oracle especially using in the Middle East, especially Middle East countries. So we have a lot of projects are available in the market now, and we have a lot of openings as well there in the Oracle side. So there is no doubt about the growth and career about the Oracle side. You have always since I'm in the 8 years plus years of experience in Oracle side, and I didn't even sit in the bench till now. Okay, every day, every year I have multiple projects. Okay, I'm handling lot of projects now as well. So you don't bother about your career and growth about this one. And whereas coming to the salaries, once you are mastering the Oracle, you have lot of growth in salary side as well. If you have at least 3+ years of experience, they'll give 15 lakh plus per annum, 15 LPA. Okay, only for 3+ years of experience. That is the market, current market now, and it will be if you add any additional skills along with that functional skills, if you add any technical skills as well. Technical skills, which means if you get any knowledge in the developing the reports, OTBA and BIP reports, they'll increase your package as well, 15 to 20. If you are a functional plus technical guy, it will be like huge thing. Currently in the current market, there is no combination of functional and technical guys. So every company is searching for that skill set. The company nowadays companies wants both technical and functional guys. But in current market, only functional guys are there and only technical guys are there. There is no guys that have both skills. So if you guys at least I can say functional 100%, and if you have at least 20% technical skills as well, then they'll hire you like anything. They didn't even check anything. They just check the functional side and technical side. Even if you have a basic communication skills, that's more than enough. If you have functional plus technical skills, I'll guide you how to learn technical as well. Since I have a knowledge on technical side as well, especially on developing the reports, OTBA and BIP reports. Why I said only 20%? Every company treating 20% as a development of the reports, and remaining 80% related to the OIC integrations and all. That is a pure technical. You can't go with that without coding. But functional, we don't require to code anything. You can just have a basic accounting knowledge, and you need to have a application knowledge. You don't require to have any coding knowledge for functional side. Okay, So I'll try to cover these things in this sessions actually. For a functional side, 100% I'll give, and 20% technical also I'll give. 20%, which means BIP reports and OTBA reports, how to develop BIP reports and OTBA reports. Why I'm stretching this one? So if you show the technical knowledge as well in your resume, might be it will be increase the calls for you. So interview calls will be more chances. If you mention only functional side, it will come, but compared to this both combination, it will give less chances. Okay, so if you put a resume about this 100% functional and 20% technical, it will increase the interview calls for your profile. Okay, and this is about this one, salary and growth, and can I actually learn this? Okay, especially I'm talking about Oracle Fusion financial side. So everyone can learn Oracle Fusion financial side. Why I'm saying this is, so you don't require actually in academics. Let's take an example like BTech, MCA, MBA, BCom. Everyone can learn this program. Why? Because there is no basic things teaches in the BTech or MBA or BCom. Okay, here I can say one word. Okay, chart of accounts. No one hear this. No one hear this word from your academic side. Okay, so this is new to everyone. So what I can say is anyone can learn this course from basics. Okay, but I can say accounting guys and MBA guys has some advantage. I like 10% advantage. Why? Because we have some accounting part as well in the financial side, and they can easily understand that accounting part. Only 10% of accounting is there in the Oracle financial side, and they can easily understand that. That can also learn by BTech guys and MCA guys and other guys as well. So you guys don't bother about the academic qualification. Everyone can learn this course, Oracle Fusion Financials, especially. Okay. So any doubts till now? If you guys have any doubts, just let me know.
Sir, no,
Yeah.
I'm purely from accounting, so technical
Mm.
field I have zero knowledge. So
Yeah, that's also not a problem. So since you are a non IT guy, you can learn functional side 100%, and I will guide you how to improve. See, I'll I'll tell you one thing. I'm also from BCom background, and next I did MBA finance. So I don't have any knowledge about coding, even though you can learn technical side. So I can say OTBA reports. Okay, OTBA reports, you don't require to write a code. You can just drag and drop the fields. But there is a small tricks there, and I'll teach you how to do those things. And that is also coming under technical side. Without writing the code as well, you can develop the OTBA reports. But that will cover under technical side. Okay. So you don't bother about technical knowledge. I will guide you. You can easily learn that. Okay. Any questions?
nothing, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That's why I'm saying like here only 20%. That 20% is also minimal coding knowledge. That is also very, very, very basic things. Okay. I'll teach you. I'll guide you. That in that you don't require to bother about. Okay. Yes, I'm also initially I joined as a functional consultant. After that, I have a chance in my organization to develop the reports. There I learned parallelly SQL along with that OTB and BIP reports. Okay, parallelly I learned. I in the mornings I learn SQL, and in the working times I did whatever learning had in the morning. I just applied those things in my working day. Okay, so it's a very easy thing. I'll guide you on the technical part. You don't bother about those things. Even though if you have a zero knowledge, you don't bother about those things. Okay, I'll start from very scratch. Okay, very scratch. Even if you know those things, I'll start from that side only, because once we have a strong fundamentals, then you can build the subject on that fundamentals easily. Okay. Hmm. If you don't have any questions, let's go with the introduction to ERP. So you guys know about ERP. What is the terminology about ERP? So what is like abbreviation? At least you can guys tell about ERP. What is the abbreviation?
ERP means it's a software, right, for accounting.
Yeah.
So yeah, actually we are not using this tool, so I have no knowledge about this. But I heard it. But some other friends are using this ERP. So they are actually actually I don't know about this. But that software, the entries and all, had a little bit knowledge, but
Yeah.
not so. So kindly, I do not know the
Yeah. Got it.
about
Yeah.
the.
So you use SAP, right? SAP is also
Yeah,
ERP
it's
or
similarly, it's
yeah.
like an SAP, like
Yeah.
journal entries,
Mm.
AR, APs, purchase, sales, everything will dump in the same tool.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So ERP means enterprise resource planning. Enterprise means business. Resources means, so for that business, whatever the things required for to run those business. Okay. Resources means, let's take an example. Okay, what I can say, DMart. If you can say DMart,
Yeah.
they are selling lot of things. Okay, so for resources, which means for them resources, which means clothes, groceries. Okay, everything. All those are resources for the DMart, especially for that business. They need they have shopping, right? Like they are selling clothes. Okay, groceries and all. So all those things we can treat as a resource. To run those business, we have some resources, right? So enterprise resource planning. So we need to have some proper plan to manage all those business. That is the reason we call it as a ERP, enterprise resource planning. We have a proper plan to run the business. Okay, if you take an example like a small business, small vendor in your area, like okay, um, they can easily handle writing something in the bookkeeping. We can say like bookkeeping. So they can write all the inflow and outflow of the cash, because because that is a small business, so they don't require to maintain any application. If you think in a bigger manner like DMart or Walmart or anything, okay, so they have multiple branches, they have big business. In that cases, they can't write everything in the book. That is the reason they need a application to maintain all those things, like inflow of cash, outflow of cash, and how much stock they have, and how much they need to order from the vendor, how much I mean like customers buy the things. Like, so let's take an example. We did some analysis with the ERP as well. Okay, so in particular days, like from Monday to Sunday, we have a particular days, like Saturday, Sunday, we have lot of customers visited to DMart. Okay, and in that also they are buying specific product. Like let's take an example of Maggie. So DMart analyzed that in particularly Saturday and Sunday, Maggie are selling very high. So based on that plan, DMart will increase the buying of Maggie from that vendor, so that stock will not shortage, especially for the Saturday and Sunday. These kind of analysis also we can do in the ERP application. Okay. Any question on this? Okay. Why business using ERP applications? So you guys, I hope you guys understand this. Why business is using ERP? It is required to use ERP because at the end of the day, they need to file the tax. So they need to know how much revenue they generated. So in that huge business, how can they calculate revenue amount and expenses and all? If they write all those things in the book, let's take an real-time example. DMart. If you visit DMart, every day lakhs of members are visited. So they can't write all those transactions by writing in the book, right? So they need to enter every transactions in the application. And by clicking one button, then came to know that today these many customers are visited and this much revenue we generated. How they need to know? Because whenever they use the ERP, then only they came to know. ERP will do all those things. Okay, how many customers are visited, and how much they buy, and how much revenue we earned, and how much expenses we incurred for that particular day, or for that particular month, or for that particular year. We can see all those things in ERP application. That is the reason every business is like to use any ERP application. Like any ERP means Oracle is a ERP, SAP is also ERP, Workday is also ERP. Okay, we have old things as well. PeopleSoft, Cwell, JD Edwards. We have a lot of applications, and now latest applications are these all are Oracle, SAP, and Workday. Okay, and let's come to the Oracle Fusion application. So here I just wanted to let you know that Oracle Fusion application. Fusion means, anyone know about fusion meaning? Recently you can see fusion dishes as well. Fusion dishes. So like in cooking, they are using fusion word as well. Fusion means it's a combination. Okay. Why Oracle give the naming as fusion? Fusion means combination of different applications, and they made it a one product, one application. So in Oracle, we have PeopleSoft, okay, and JD Edwards and Cbell, okay. All these software applications are there, and PeopleSoft is very popular for financial modules, and JD Edwards very popular for HCM, okay, and Cbell very popular for HCM. Okay, so what Oracle did is they combined all these features into one application, that is Oracle Fusion. So why Fusion is coming here means they are combining multiple applications into one application. That is the reason they call it as a fusion. Okay. Any question? So now Oracle Fusion, see, PeopleSoft is popular with financials. JD Edwards is popular with HCM. SEWell is popular with HCM. So these three things are, see, if your business maintaining all these three things, it will be increasing cost, right? If you want to maintain all these applications, you need different skill set people, and you need different licenses required. So what Oracle think, they can combine all those things into one application, and they will give license to only this Oracle Fusion application. So they don't require to maintain all those things. Now they can maintain only one application with different modules. Like in Oracle Fusion, you can maintain now finance, HCM, HCM, and lot of things. Procurement. Procurement will also come under HCM. Okay. All these applications you can maintain in one application now. That is the reason they call it as a fusion. And you can see some naming as Oracle Fusion Cloud application. What is cloud? Why they are giving us cloud? Anyone know about this one? Cloud. So Okay, I'll tell you. You guys need to know about cloud. First, you need to know about this concept: on-premise and cloud. Okay. What is on-premise and cloud? So on-premise means, so whatever the old applications. So now PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, eBay, and EBS, all these all are old softwares. And if you want to use these softwares, you need to install a software in your computer, in your laptop. If you want to use PeopleSoft application, you need to install a software. If you want to use JD Edwards, eBay, EBS, anything, you need to install a specific software, and your laptop should be support that software. Okay, we have in EBS, we have different versions as well. EBS 6.0 or EBS 11 something. We have different um, versions as well. Okay, so you need to your laptop need to support those versions. Whereas coming to the on-premise, so this is very risky, and you need to install, and your laptop will be slowed down as well based on that software. Whereas coming to the cloud, if you want to use the Oracle Fusion application, Oracle Fusion cloud application, you don't require to install any software. You don't require to install. All those things taken care by Oracle. Oracle will store all those things. You don't bother about your software installation. You don't bother about storing the data in cloud. You can just, how can you log in to the Oracle application? You can just by clicking on the link. Will give the one link, and you can just click on that link and just provide the username and password. It will open without installing any softwares in the laptop. You can directly open Oracle Fusion by clicking on one link, and you need to provide the credentials, username and password. That's all. So how this will work means, Oracle maintaining lot of servers, and whenever you click on that link, it will directly connect it to those servers, and it will open that application. So Oracle will be taking care of all those things. We don't bother about those things. Whereas coming to the on-premise, you need to physically install the software in your computer or laptop, and there, yeah, if sometimes this software will be corrupted as well. Okay, those times again you need to uninstall and install. These all are the maintenance things in on-premise, in old applications. But in Oracle Fusion Cloud application, you don't maintain all those kind of things. You can directly log into your cloud application, and you can use, and you can enter any data, and those data will be going to store in the Oracle servers. That is the reason we make it as they're giving as a cloud. Okay. If you can see Oracle logo as well, you can see a cloud shape. Cloud means like in it's a cloud shape. If you can see in Oracle logo as well. Okay. So everything they are bringing into cloud now. They are not using any on-premise. So that there is no for this they need to maintain database skill set resources as well. So whoever have the database skill set, they need to maintain all those things. Now this database concept is gone. So whoever have the database skills, their jobs gone. So no one is using on-premise now. Everyone converted from on-premise to cloud. Okay. Any question on this? I know I'm giving a lot of information, but these all are the basic things you guys need to know before jumping into the Oracle application financial modules. Why they are giving Fusion, why they are giving cloud as a name. So now I hope you guys know about this now, like why they are giving Fusion and cloud. Right? Any questions? Okay. If there is no questions, course coverage. So if you join in this course, what will be the what will be going to cover? So in this course, we are going to cover general ledger, module, accounts payable, accounts receivable, fixed assets, cash management. These all are the financial modules. Oracle Fusion financials. Okay, these all are the financial modules. Okay, we are going to cover all those things: general ledger, GL, AP, AR, fixed assets, cash management. Along with that, I have said earlier as well, technical part is also I'm going to cover. So for that, we have OTBI and BIP reports. These two things I will be going to cover. Along with that, yeah, let me cover this one as well. FRS reports. So if you guys add these skills, OTBI, BIP, and FRS, you will get more calls, interview calls. Along with this functional, you need to mention these things as well in your resume. I'll tell you how to build resume as well on this, especially on these skills. Okay, these all are technical side and these all are functional side. Okay, along with that, I will be going to cover security module as well. So these all are extra part. So in other institutes, they'll not going to cover these things. These all are the additional part. Why I am combining these modules with these modules? Because see, in security module, it will part of GL, AP, AR, fixed assets, cash management. Whenever we enter into the actual sessions, you came to know this is integrated with all these modules. Without security module, you can't get these accesses. So I feel like this is the correct way to cover security module as well in this course. In other institutes, I saw that like they are directly covering all these things and they are just leave it there. But now what I feel is like nowadays market is changed and companies also expecting something more apart from these functional skills. So I feel this is the correct way to add technical and security module as well along with that functional skill set, so that you guys have a more chances of getting the interview calls. This is the agenda for this course. Okay, first I'll cover these things, financial modules along with that security module. Okay, parallelly I'll cover these things, and this part will be going to cover in the end of the session, end of the course. Okay, in the last, once we complete all those things, then I'll cover this part: OTBI, BIP, and FRS reports. Okay, any questions on this course agenda? I will be going to cover real-time scenarios as well. Whenever I cover, if I cover general ledger, and I'll cover real-time scenarios, like what I face in the real time. Okay, in AP, what I face exactly, I face, like, and which kind of errors we can get and how we can resolve those errors. All those things I'll cover while taking these classes. Okay.
Yes, sir. About OTBA reports,
Mhm.
the reports or live reports are you already have a database.
Yeah, it's a live reports. OTBI give the live real-time data. OTBI,
So,
BIP, FRS. These
so
all are
you
give
you
the,
teach
yeah.
from live reports only, or you have any database?
No, live reports only I'll teach. Okay, you
About
have
security model, what is the use of security model, sir?
module. This is module,
Yeah,
security
security
module.
module.
Okay, so let's take an example. Okay, your name is Mahesh, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So Hari, Mahesh. Okay, someone Sai is there. Okay, these three guys are there. Okay, so Hari handle only GL module. Okay, here you can see we have different modules, and in real time business scenario, no one can handle all these modules. Everyone have a different skill sets, right? Hari knows only GL, and maybe Mahesh knows only AP, and Sai knows only AR. In that scenario, so let's take an example, AP and AR. Okay, Hari knows only GL, Mahesh knows only AP, Sai knows only AR. So when company give the Oracle application, okay, to three of us, Hari in this Oracle application, Hari need to access only GL part. Hari don't want to access AP and AR. He don't require, right? He need only GL. And whereas coming to the Mahesh need only AP. He don't require GL and AR. Sai require only AR. And Hari, these two things Sai don't require. Okay, to restrict these things, we need security module. Did you get my point, Mahesh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you need to restrict each. Why we need to restrict? That is also one question. So Oracle will give the license based on these modules. Okay, so let's take an example. If you don't have security module, if you are not implementing security module, and if you give just Oracle application to your users, and Hare access all these modules, Mahesh access all these modules, I access all these modules, and Oracle charges 1 lakh. Okay, this is 10,000. $1 lakh to use these applications. Okay, Hari accessing GL APR, Mahesh accessing all the modules, I access all the modules, and it will increase the cost. If you restrict this one, they'll charge only 50,000 because you are using very less, right? Very less data pages. Hari using only GL, so he is not using APR, so he is cut down the charges. Oracle cut down the charges because only one user using the GL, only one user using the AP, only one user using the AR. So based on the count, the subscription amount will be changed. That is the reason. So companies are implementing this one. Like they want to reduce the cost of the application. If you give the Oracle application to the 200 members, it will increase this one. Think in a bigger manner. Every company has a lot of employees, like thousands of employees. Thousands of employees using all the modules, it will increase the subscription amount. If you want to reduce that based on their skill set, you can restrict those things so that it will reduce the subscription amount. They'll save lakhs of amount in the subscription amount as well, right? So this is called security model. Whenever you restrict the user to the particular modules, particular data. Okay, did you get my point?
Yes, sir, got it. Apart from security model, is any next point like learning a new thing, or only this is the
These all are the as my experience. Okay, I took some interviews as well for my company. So mostly whenever we looking for the functional guys, we ask the questions in depth in these modules.
Okay.
Okay, let's take an example. And Mahesh and Sai, these two guys are there. Mahesh have 100%, and he gave 100% of functional knowledge, and he is also gave 100%. Now we are confusing which one we need to select, Mahesh or Sai. So in that case, what we need to see is, does these two guys have at least basic technical skills? So if Mahesh has only 10% of technical skills and he is 0% technical skills, we prefer Mahesh. Okay, in the interview, it will be the scenario. So if you guys are performing very well in functional side, and we need to filter out, right? Where we need to filter out, again, we need to see the additional skills, whereas security module are technical skills. So if you can see technical skills, we found Mahesh as at least basic things. Then we'll select Mahesh. That is the reason I have included this one. Nowadays, this is the scenario. What happened? Everyone giving their 100%. So we are very confusing to select the candidates. So what we think, like, what is the other skills are there into the candidates? So apart from these skills, we are seeing these skills as well. So whoever the candidate have these skills, we are easily find out and we can hire this guy. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is the reason I am including these things in our course. In previous batches, we cover only these functional modules. That's it. Now market is changed. Based on that, we need to change our course agenda as well. That is the reason we are included this OTBA BIP technical side and security module as well.
So in this will in this course it will be upgrade will be updating, right? So we need to we ourselves also we need to get updated for this, right?
Yeah. So in Oracle, okay, Oracle application in Oracle company, every year they are releasing updated application. Like they are not updating everything. See, in general ledger, let's take an example. GL, we have 100 concepts. Okay. In 100 concepts, they are changing only one or two. So you can easily learn one or two, which means very minimal, right? Once you learn 100 concepts, every month they can get more than 5. That's it. 5 features they are changing. Okay, for that 5 feature, when they are changing, which means so Oracle releasing. So now this is the 2026 year, right? 2026 year. In 2026 year, they'll release 26A, 26B, 26C, and 26D. This is the versions. So whenever you can see 26, which means year, this is the A, B, C. So these all are the 26A Jan to March. Okay. April to April, May, June.
June.
Yeah. July to July, August, September. Okay. And October to December. So this is the releases. So in 26A, they'll be going to release on January, 26B April, 26C July, 26D October. 26A. And one more thing is like it is not mandatory to change all the features. Whatever, see now, let's take an example where you are working for one client. Okay, client A, and you are working in GL module, and you feel something wrong in the application. Okay, something one feature is not working properly, and even though you tried all the ways, you didn't resolve those things. That time we raise the Oracle SR, which means we are directly contacting to the Oracle. Whoever build this Oracle application, we are directly contact to Oracle person, and we explain this feature is not working properly. So just take a look at that and please resolve that one. And Oracle also try from their end, and if they are also not resolved those kind of issues, they'll resolve and release in this versions. Okay, whatever the things clients are feeling not good in the application, they found out those features and they upgrade those features and release in these kind of versions. Whereas coming to the 2027, they'll release same 27A, 27B, 26 27C, 27D. Okay, so I'll show you in the application where you can check those versions as well. Okay, let me show you that one. So this is the application. We'll show you how to log in and all. We'll give you. Okay, give me a so you can just provide the username and password. It will log in. That's it. You don't require to install. I didn't install any application and all. Okay. And here, this is my username and about this application. See, this application will be now on 26B.
We cannot see the screen, sir. We can see only
Oh,
Excel.
oh, okay, okay. Give me a second. I will reshare again. Window. Are able to see my screen now?
Yeah.
Are
Now
able
it's
to
visible.
see?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So this is the application we are going to use in this course. And here you can just come and see the about this application. Which version this application will be there? 26B. This is the version.
Okay.
Oracle Fusion Cloud application 26B. We are in 26B.
Yes.
Okay. And Oracle will refresh this environment to 26C. They will give particular date, and they will that time this application will be on downtime, and there will be some downtime between like 12 hours to 20 hours. That time they'll update from 26B to 26C. So whatever the new features are available in 26C, that all 26 new features will be available once they are upgraded, and it will be going to show it in this screen 26C once they are upgraded.
So, where to know the content? What it has been changed in this application? What they upgraded? How to know that?
Yeah, we have a specific Oracle. Let me show you that one as well. You can search it. It is a open source Oracle Fusion. Okay. Sorry, Oracle. Oracle repository.
What's new?
Yeah, docs.oracle.com. Actually, recently they are changed the name. That is the reason I'm just, yeah, here. Oracle. See, on-premise application, cloud application. We just now discussed about this one. If you guys
Yes.
remember, on-premise
Yes.
application, cloud application. On-premise means we need to physically install the software into our laptop. Cloud application we don't require. So we are using cloud application. That is the reason we are selecting cloud application. And here ERP, we are learning ERP and SCM, CX. These are different modules. And now ERP. Let's go to ERP financials. And here you can see 26B new release, 26B, 26A, 26A, 26D till now not released. Okay. So here you can just click on this, and here see what's new. Click on this, see what's new. You can see all the new updates. Okay. Which module you want to see? Financials, what's new in 2026C. Here you can see all this. They are recently introduced ERP agents. AI, they are introduced. Okay, in 26C. So here see Oracle Fusion Cloud Financial 26C, what's new? What they are introduced newly. So all these features, they are introduced newly into the 26C. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you can, it is a open source. Anyone can open, and anyone can read all those things.
Oh,
Okay. Yeah. Any questions? I think we are up to the time. Any questions? And same timing tomorrow also. Tomorrow also I'll will log in at 10, and we'll continue the session.
okay, sir.
Where? Okay.
Can you
Okay.
share this record, Hari?
Yes, I think Bala, Guru are able to share
Yes,
this
yes,
recording.
we'll
Yeah.
share, we'll share.
Yeah. Any
Okay.
questions on this? First, I just wanted to know about the questions. If you guys have any questions, I can spare 10 minutes more as well if you guys have any questions. Anything is fine. So like there is no silly questions and all here. Anything is fine. I'm not feeling any like why these guys are asking silly questions and all. Because see while learning, we have a lot of questions in our brain. Without resolving those questions, you can't go further. Okay, so better you can resolve all your questions in time so that you can learn easily. Okay, you can go forward.
This course is easy to learn. It's very difficult.
Yeah, it is. See, it is very easy, but you need to spend some time. Okay, without spending time, no one can learn, right? So you need some patience and time. If
So
you
more.
invest these two things, you can easily learn. Actually, there is no difficult in this, especially in Oracle ERP financial side. There is no difficulty.
Moreover,
Why
we
I am
need a
saying this?
practical knowledge more, right?
Yeah, you need practical knowledge. I will give that one. No? I'm currently working in that application, right? I'm currently working on that clients, right? So I'll give you every day. Say if I see, I'm working from Monday to Friday. So from Monday to Friday, I'm facing definitely some issues. Whatever the issues I face in the real time, I'll bring all those issues into our session.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that you also know, right? Okay, this is the business, and I will explain in detail. This is the business scenario and how we need to resolve. I will give the roadmap as well. Like this is the error we are facing currently, and we are trying to resolve this one. And for resolving that error, what resources we are using? Okay, all those things I'll explain.
So how many days it will take to learn full course?
Yeah, I can say like all these modules I'll cover in 2 months. Okay, and these things I think it will take 15 days more, so 1.5 month I can say to cover all those things. And to learn for you guys, whenever I cover one concept, immediately you need to practice parallelly. So if I give 1 hour session, you need to spend at least 3 hours, at least 3 hours to explore more, and you need to ask the questions in that next day session. Then you can ready by 3 months. Like in 3 months, you are ready to give the interviews if you learn parallelly with these sessions. If you are missing one day, it will drag you like one month, 2 months extra. Okay, so I can say like if you spend a full-fledged 3 months, 3.5 months, you are ready to give the interviews. You will be ready to give the interviews.
There is any certificate for this course or
Yes, we have a certifications, but you need to pay to Oracle. Like it will be a huge cost.
in interview they will ask the certification. What are the course we have done? If they ask for any proof of like you have a certification in that.
Oh,
So
okay. So you are expecting any certification from the institute?
no, I'm not
Mhm.
expecting, but in
Mhm.
case in interview if they ask any for any certificates
Okay,
like that, so
so
I'm asking.
okay, got it. Your question. But say here, what happened? You can do certifications once you get the full-fledged knowledge. But what I can say is like it will be like a huge amount, 25,000 for one certification. So if you want to take the AP certificate, you need to pay 25,000 to Oracle, and they'll give you one attempt only. If you are not clear, 25,000 gone. Again, you need to apply for a new exam. Again, 25,000 you need to pay.
No,
Okay.
here we have one
Mm-hmm.
tricky answer we can say to every organization.
Mm.
Whenever we attend, we can say that organization, your current organization or your previous organization has not given the free uh, tickets.
Yeah, got it. Okay, so
So
you can say
better
like this. Yeah, got it, Bala. Got it.
financial.
So yeah. So what happened here is I did GL and AP, and but I didn't pay any amount because my company paying on behalf of me. So you can say like this in interviews. So my company is not providing any facility to for the certifications, and it will be a huge cost. That is the reason I didn't attempt any certifications. You can say like this. Did you get my point?
Got it.
Yeah. So some companies providing the amount on behalf of me. Okay. So my company providing. So I can write any exams. They'll pay on behalf of me. Okay. So in that case, we can write, right? But we can't spend that much amount. Our own money we can't spend, right? So you can say
On
same
behalf
thing.
of company, we can do the certification.
Yes.
Of course. Got it.
Yeah. Company will pay to you, and you need to write that exam. That's it.
Got it.
Yeah. You can say that in interview to escape from that question. You can say that one.
Okay.
Yeah. Any questions? Yep. If you
think we
don't
are
have
good.
any.
Yeah, we are good, Hari. Yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
So
Thank you, guys.
let's connect tomorrow at 10 a.m. at the same time. So tomorrow
Thank
we
you.
have one more session. Yeah. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.
Yep.